Hi, everyone. My name is Natalie Pienkowska. I'm a senior product manager here at Microsoft, and I focus on creating AI features for frontline workers. So by frontline, I mean workers in manufacturing, retail, like store associates, healthcare, travel, transport, manufacturing, and so much more. So you can feel free to always reach out to me on LinkedIn if you have any questions on any of our teams for frontline offerings. And one of those offerings is Frontline Agent, which is in public preview. We announced it back in January, and we have two main capabilities. One is being able to quickly access information from like SOPs and other manuals, especially if you're a store associate and you need to help answer a question very quickly from a customer. You can do so by reaching out to the Frontline Agent and getting a simple and concise response. And then also being able to quickly catch up on unread Teams chat and channel messages. So you may have been on vacation, or you may have, maybe it's a few days since you've been on shift, and things change a lot, especially in a lot of these industries and spaces. So you want to make sure you catch up on the latest, and not just catch up, but also have those action items of what you need to do based on these announcements. And so this agent is designed to address a lot of these common frontline worker pain points across industries, and it is available out of the box in Copilot, and you can also deploy it to the Teams chat rail. And the main reason why I'm here today is because we also released a new capability called voice-driven site walkthroughs. And so this allows, as the title sounds like, to you to complete site walkthroughs with voice. So it's so much more efficient than using a paper checklist or taking notes as you're walking around on a tablet or on a phone. So let me go here.
I'm a store associate.
To quickly show you a little bit more about the voice-driven site walkthroughs. The idea here is you don't need to go back to your desk to type up a full report. The agent generates that report for you so that you can stay focused on the environment and flag any discrepancies instead of looking at a paper or phone checklist. So let's take a look at this in action via the demo. So you can type in start site walkthrough, and then the agent can take a look here and get back to you with a card that gives you instructions on what to do here. So just pause for a second here. You can see it describes what will happen during the walkthrough, and it also allows you to put in any tasks. So let's say your manager had reached out to you and gave you a couple things to really pay attention to. You can let the agent take care of making sure that you cover that for you. So in this case, stocks supplies, complete second floor, and mop floors was what this person got from their manager. And now they can start the site walkthrough. And as
Hi, I've
continues,
completed the store walkthrough.
you can literally hear this
Here's
was
summary of the
a
activities
demo that was
performed along with key
recorded where the
observations
person
and items
walks
selected.
around and talks about their surroundings, and it's listening and taking notes as they speak. And once they're done, they get to end the site walkthrough, and they get a generated summary of the entire walkthrough. So in this case, we get an introductory paragraph that summarizes what was covered in the report, and then any action items. So of course, this is completely optional, but because this person did put in action items, it checks off whether they've been done or not and provides any additional notes that had happened and anything that needs attention. So now this frontline worker at the retail store can copy and paste this over to a Word document, Excel sheet, or add this into their channel for their team so that everyone can view the proof of that this site walkthrough was done. So at this point, the retail worker can decide exactly where they want to put it in and then edit if needed. And there's a lot more coming with this feature. One is being able to upload images of paper-based checklists and actual files. We know a lot of these checklists are in Word or Excel, and especially a lot of them are paper checklists. So we really want to help with bringing those paper checklists into the digital world and keeping them here for compliance reasons. And then also being able to save checklists list templates that you've uploaded so that you don't have to upload or add the tasks every single time you're starting a site walkthrough, especially if it's something that you do pretty much every shift or in some cases every hour. So this capability is available in limited public preview. So to try it out at no cost and help shape the roadmap of this feature and the Frontline Agent in general. We have so many other private previews happening right now and many more features to get added into the public preview version. Sign up at aka.ms/site walkthrough, and I'll work with you to get this capability and the agent at no cost at all. That's all I had today. Thanks, everyone.